'78 Ford F150. Signed up for the Gambler 500. We're gonna drive 400 miles each way to do 500 miles of racing. That's right, go fast, safety last, but always arrive alive. I'm a little bit fried. We just showed up to Gambler Town, to Lebanon, and there's a bunch of, looks like Mad Max Thunderdome there on the road. Yeah, so we got all the GPS coordinates. We've looked at a map. Everyone took pictures. Betty Ford's got a CB and a Traeger barbecue, and it's all right in the drawer.
You guys got an extra beer?
We have some, yeah.
We're passing it out to the staff because it's been 5 hours of this. What is it? This says Gambler 500! Get the fuck out of here! I don't even drink an IPA, that's amazing.
Grab 2 or 3.
What the hell did we walk into last night?
All right, well, it's Saturday morning at the Gambler 500, and last night was a bit like Burning Man and Mad Max, and this morning we made some bacon and eggs, and we're gonna load up and go drive a bunch of other dirt roads and go gambling, I guess. The word gambler used so creatively. The gambler is a verb, it's an adjective, it becomes other nouns.